In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the new Expensify platform and use its tag feature effectively. This can be incredibly helpful if you want to organize and categorize your expenses more efficiently. To get started, let's head over to your Expensify workspace. Now, the first thing you want to do is locate the More Features menu. You'll find it on the left-hand side of your page. Clicking on this will open up a range of additional features that Expensify offers. Once you've clicked on More Features, you'll notice a menu popping up on the right side of your screen. In this menu, you should look for an option labeled Tags. It's crucial to enable this option, as it will allow you to start using and managing tags within your workspace. After enabling the Tags feature, you should notice that it makes an appearance in the submenu on the left side of your workspace. This is your confirmation that you've successfully activated the feature. Now, you're ready to start creating some tags. So, go ahead and click on the Tags option that's now visible in your submenu. In this next section, you'll see an option to Add Tag. Clicking this option will allow you to create a new tag. It's a good idea to think about the name of the tag before you create it. Choose something descriptive that will make your expense categorization more intuitive. For example, if you're managing expenses for a particular building or project, you might want to name your tag accordingly. In this example, let's name the tag Building B Expenses. Now that you've decided on a name, all you need to do is click Save. This action will ensure that the tag is created and stored within your existing set of tags. To confirm everything was executed correctly, let's go back and check the tag menu once more. Here, you'll be able to see a list of all the tags that you've created. You should see your newly created tag, Building B Expenses, listed here. This final step serves as a validation, confirming that your new tag is available for use whenever you're categorizing expenses in your Expensify workspace. And just like that, you've learned how to enable and create tags within the new Expensify platform. With this knowledge, you can now organize and manage your expenses with a much clearer structure, ensuring that everything stays transparent and easily accessible. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in managing your expenses efficiently.